the other pattern or the last part of the examples or the type of examples related to the normal distribution. Mark a star over here, that is an important one. In a normal distribution, 31% of items are under 45 and 8% are over 65. Under means below, negative. Over means above, positive. Find the mean and standard deviation of distribution. This is a typical kind of example. So let mu be the mean and standard deviation be defined by sigma. x is equal to m means mean, इसके अराउंड आपका नॉर्मल कर्व डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है 45, अंडर 45 means negative, means below 45, above 64 means positive, on the right hand side, right? How much percent is that? 8%. 8% means 0.08, ठीक है, 8 upon 100. 31% means 0.31. So probability for x less than 45 कितना दिया है? 31% means 0.31, means ये वैल्यू 0.31 किसकी है? Probability minus infinity less than x up to 45, under, below, right? Z is equal to x minus mu upon sigma. X is minus infinity, Z also tends to minus infinity. X is 45. Z becomes 45 minus mu upon sigma, which is minus Z1. Why? Because in this problem I am asked to find out mean, mu and deviation sigma. So x is known to me, but बाकी के quantities मुझे निकालना है. तो एक लिमिट है उसका minus infinity, दूसरा लिमिट है उसका 45, which is on the left hand side. So x is equal to 45, z is equal to 45 minus mu upon sigma, which is negative. तो मेरे को वैल्यू निकालना है माइनस इंफिनिटी से माइनस z1 के बीच में, which is 0.31, because that is probability what is given. So minus of f of z1 plus infinity. Infinity minus this will be given by, ये शिफ्ट कर दो, infinity का मुझे पता रहता है 0.5. So 0.5 minus this will give you f of z1. So this value comes out to be 0.19. So from this I am getting 45 minus mu upon sigma, 0.19 का value, and accordingly it is minus 0.5. So this is giving you the answer. Greater than 64 के लिए 0.08. X is equal to 64 के लिए पॉजिटिव रहेगा तो Z2 रहेगा. X tends to infinity, Z tends to infinity. Value will be approximately calculated above 64, means above Z2 up to infinity, which is 0.08. So infinity minus Z2. Infinity मुझे पता है कि 0.5 होती है. So 0.5 will be this. So 0.42 का वैल्यू किसके लिए है? वो 1.4 के लिए है. So accordingly अपन लेंगे the calculation part, and from the table we find out this value. One equation is 45 minus mu is equal to 0.5 sigma. Other equation is 64 minus mu is equal to 1.4 sigma. तो आपका आंसर मिलेगा mu और sigma का. Now this is from the table what we have obtained. 0.42. 0.42 is 0.1628. यहाँ पर क्या है? किसका वैल्यू 0.4 के आसपास आता है? 0.4 के आसपास किसका वैल्यू आता है? 0.42 का 1.4. ठीक है. So 1.4 is representing in the table 0.4207. So this 0.42 is nothing but your 1.4 from the table. यहाँ पर भी 0.19 किसका वैल्यू आता है? अप्रोक्सीमेटली 0.19. आप देखोगे तो ये 0.5 का आता है. So whatever 0.19 is obtained, that represents Z in the table as 0.5. रिवर्स वे में लिया है, ठीक है, बिकॉज ये प्रॉब्लम पूरा बैक ट्रैकिंग रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग से सॉल्व होगा. So accordingly we will be simplifying and getting down the answer. Solving them, I got the value for sigma as 10 and mu as 50. I repeat this for you all how it is to be done. In the question it is given under and above, ठीक है, below and above या under and over. So normal distribution 31% of items are under 45. means probability of that is 31% which are lying under or below 45, which represents negative. 8% are over 64. 64 means above. Over means above, which is positive, and that is 8%. We have to calculate mean and standard deviation. The condition or cases of the normal distribution. So 45 below is this quantity, above 64 means this quantity. On the left, it goes up to minus infinity. On the right, it goes up to infinity. Usual notations, let mu be the mean, deviation be the sigma. X is less than 45, which probability is 0.31, 31%. Therefore, it will be minus infinity to 45, which is equal to 0.31. Random variable z is x minus mu upon sigma. Now minus infinity के लिए z will also be minus infinity. For x as 45, it will be negative because it lies on the left. I take it as minus z1. Notation कुछ भी लो, minus z1 लो, z1 लो, कुछ भी नहीं होता. The ultimate value from the standard normal curve for z, which is greater than minus infinity but less than minus z1, is 0.31. So larger minus smaller. Infinity के लिए अपना probability 0.5. So 0.5 minus 0.31 is 0.91. 0.19. But this is probability. But this value represents what for z? It represents 0.19. क्या है? For z, it is 0.5. So अपना आंसर यहाँ पर क्या लिया मैंने? 0.5. So 45 minus mu upon sigma comes out to be minus 0.5 because it is negative lying on the left. 45 minus mu is minus 0.5 sigma. आप बोलोगे कि सर यहाँ पर तो वैल्यू 0.5 ही है, पर माइनस क्यों लिया? Because this is on the left, under. Because in the table we don't have the value for negative numbers. We see the value for the positive. Negative sign indicates that it lies on the left. So therefore we will be assigning the sign minus to it. Similarly, for x greater than 4, it is 8% means 0.08. Calculate positive value z2. Infinity एक वैल्यू रहेगा क्योंकि greater than है, एक वैल्यू ऐसा आएगा. Answer is 0.42. What value is for z which is representing 0.42? Z2, which is 1.4. Answer आ गया 1.4. दो equations है, solve them, you get the answer. Sigma is equal to 10 and mu is equal to 50. The last example, again in a distribution exactly normal, 7% of items are under 35 and 89% items are under 63. दोनों वैसे ही है, under में है. What are the mean and standard deviation of the distribution? Accordingly, under 63 means less than 63 and under 35 means both will be lying on the one side. Appropriately you calculate and get the answer. So under 63 means minus infinity less than x less than 63, which is 89% means 0.89. अपर माइनस स्मॉलर f ऑफ इंफिनिटी 0.5, उसको सिंप्लीफाई करके 0.39. 0.39 अप्रोक्सीमेटली कहाँ दिख रहा है? यहां से शुरू हो रहा है, 1.2 बोल सकते हैं उसको, राइट? सो 1.23. कैलकुलेट, यू गेट द इक्वेशन. Similarly, x less than 35, again minus infinity to 35, 0.07. उसके लिए वैल्यू देखो 0.07. 0.07 यहां से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, राइट? सो 0.18 आई कैन कॉल इट एज, राइट? सो दिस विल बी 0.18. यहां देखो क्या लिया है इन्होंने, नहीं ये एज इट इज 0.43 आ रहा है. 0.43 किसके लिए रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? यहां से शुरू है, सो 1.48 ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. 1.48 लिया होगा, यस. And accordingly both are negative. Calculate the value. Sigma comes out to be 10.33 and mu comes out to be 50.3. So these are the remaining examples for homework. Fair coin is tossed 500 times. Find the probability. Again binomial approximated to normal. And here also it is about the diameters of the brass plugs. Accordingly answers are given and you can simplify. So kindly note down these particular questions which are available for practice and simplify them. This is a chart table available for reference, which will help us to simplify the questions. So this is all regarding the exam.